Hello, my name is Morgan Shriver, and I will be exploring the importance of keystone species in ecosystems. This presentation will mainly focus on the gray wolf and its role in the Yellowstone National Park. From the establishment of Yellowstone in 1872, the land acted as a sanctuary for the ecosystem within. When the park was handed to the U.S. Army in 1886, predators other than bears were hunted. In 1918, the National Park Service assumed responsibility for the park and continued to hunt these predators. Recorded kills include 121 mountain lions, 136 wolves, and 4,350 coyotes from the year 1904 to 1935. This ultimately led to the extinction of gray wolves in the park by the year 1926. So why does this matter? With their biggest predator gone, the elk population exploded, causing the overgrazing of plants. Lack of these primary producers decreased the rate of photosynthesis in the area, likely causing poorer air quality. Additionally, primary consumers lacked resources, causing their population to drop as well. The loss of gray wolves threw off the balance of the ecosystem entirely. Such drastic effects caused the NPS to reintroduce wolves to the area in 1995. This image depicts the traditional trophic cascade within the Yellowstone National Park prior to gray wolf predation. A trophic cascade is a progression of indirect effects by predators across the lower trophic levels. This includes energy in the form of prey. Removal of a top predator, such as the gray wolf, will have negative effects on the entire ecosystem, as we saw in this example. The slide shows additional definitions that may further your understanding of the topic.